is part for wait a kid. I just put the timer. Chill down and cheat. Last time you went alone with Lokit, no? Don't do that ever again. You are a small child. You can't go alone. Guys, can I tell one story? Anshit and Lokit, what kind of a friend? Anshit something. Just a teacher. He went alone. Yeah, not lying. I'm really telling you. Last time went. Yeah, with his friend Lokit. Alone. After that, they opened this window. Wait, this one. They have this window because the door was locked. That's why. And Safina Puppy, Anshit's grandmother hit him because Anshit's mother in Dubai, no. Here is my one. Here is my one. They are having on my lips. Chill down! Get out! Amika Tiko. Fix it. Bye. I have Batman. Don't look. Turn around. Turn around.
I don't know the shape. What is that shape?
Orange.
Huh? I didn't hear.
Penguin shape.
Yeah. It's a bear shape or penguin shape?
Penguin.
See?
No, it's a capybara shape. This one. I have same like this. That is Batman.
Batman. Ah, cool. What color it was? Blue. Are you like blue?
Blue and black. I like gold. Bye.